God bless you, my brave little soldiers. See, we have already started the chapter My Elder Brother, right? And I hope that you started loving your younger brother and sister and you are not fighting with them. If you are younger, then you have to listen to your elders. And if you are a elder brother, then you have to take care of your younger brother and sister because they are your responsibility. And you are the responsibility of your elders. You have seen the summary. I tried to make the things clear with the help of our culture. I shared some pictures of Lord Sri Ram, Sri Krishna, and Sri Ganesha. And I hope you started studying Ramayana properly. And these things brought some positivity in you and will bring some more positivity, I know this. Today, I am going to help you with the reading part, children. If you want to improve your reading, I think you should improve your reading. Pause my video and repeat the lines after me. Don't watch my video in just one go. You pause my video after the completion of one sentence. You will pause it, you will listen it, you will watch it again. Fine, and you will repeat the lines after me. Okay? So let's start today's class. See, this story is written by Munshi Premchand, titled Bade Bhai Sahab. I hope with the help of internet, you read this story, the Hindi version of My Elder Brother. The story shows that experience is as important as hard work. And this story, My Elder Brother, is in a form of a play in which 3 scenes are there. In scene 1, there is a hostel room. See, these 2 brothers are living in a hostel. In scene 1, a hostel room is there. 2 brothers aged 9 and 14 years sitting at a study table, as you can see in the picture. The elder brother, Bhaiya, is reading a book and the younger one, Munna, is drawing pictures of birds and animals. You can see in the picture over here. This picture is from your Marigold English Book 5, My Elder Brother. See, in scene 1, this is a hostel room. The elder brother, he is of 14 years. They both, and the younger brother is Munna. Elder brother is Bhaiya, younger brother is Munna. Munna is drawing pictures of birds and animals. And elder brother, Bhaiya, he is reading a book. They both are sitting at a study table. See, their dialogues are there. I am going to read their dialogues. And after that, I will explain the story part-wise. First I will read and then I will explain the part of the story. Bhaiya, what are you doing, Munna? Munna, I am drawing. Bhaiya, when will you study? Where were you in the morning? Munna, turning pale. I was playing. Bhaiya, how can you sit with a book for hours together? Bhaiya, that's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. See, in this scene over here, this is the first scene. Over here, Munna is drawing pictures and Bhaiya is studying. Bhaiya is asking Munna that when Munna will study. Fine. Munna is younger, so he is taking care of Munna and Munna's education. According to Bhaiya, every student should think about the foundation. If the foundation of education is strong, definitely the building will be strong, which is 100% correct. We should study hard. Over here, when Bhaiya is asking Munna that when he will study and where he was in the morning, he turned pale, means he is getting afraid of these questions, and he is asking that how could you sit with a book for hours together? Munna is asking Bhaiya, and Bhaiya is explaining that it is necessary to sit with a book for hours to make the base strong. Now, Munna, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. Bhaiya, studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. To speak or write English properly, tremendous effort is required. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles and fly paper kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? So, over here, Munna is telling that Bhaiya is elder than him. Bhaiya is 5 years elder than Munna and 3 classes ahead of him. He is asking that how could his Bhaiya can keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. It means Bhaiya's handwriting is very good and he is really working hard on the writing part, children. Especially the students of section B, you must have remembered that when I was teaching you in class 4, I used to tell you to write the wrong words 20 times each. Have you remembered? Whenever I was correcting your copies, I was making a circle over there. One circle means 20 times each. And you were writing. See, if we will write the same word again and again with the correct spelling, then we will never do spelling mistakes and our handwriting will also become very good. When Munna asked these things, Bhaiya, he said, studying English is no child's play. Yes, Bhaiya is correct. We should really work hard to become fluent in English, children. It is very necessary to read, write and speak English properly, and it needs a lot of effort. But according to Bhaiya, Munna was not working hard. He was flying kites, playing marbles and wasting a lot of time with his friends. Munna, oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go? Bhaiya, have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years. But you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. Munna starts crying on being scolded and sobbing sounds wuk wuk buk buk woo are heard. See, Bhaiya was telling Munna to study hard, and what was the reply of Munna? Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village. Should we go? Means he was not listening to his Bhaiya. Bhaiya started scolding him. He said, I never go to play, I never play cricket or hockey match. I never go to a fair. I love to study. I give priority to study a book. And according to Bhaiya, he is telling he don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years. But you will remain in the same class for years, for your life, because you are not studying hard. You are not serious for your studies. See, we should study hard, but we should enjoy the life also. That's what I always tell you this thing. Enjoy your life, enjoy studying English. Don't get afraid of English. Over here, Bhaiya is a little bit strict with Munna, and Munna wants to enjoy the life. For Munna, playing is important. For Bhaiya, studying is important. But we should mix both the things together. We should play as well as study. We should enjoy the life as well as we should work hard. If we will study like Bhaiya, definitely we will achieve success. If we will play like Munna, definitely we will enjoy. But we should study as well as we should play also. I already told you to prepare a schedule. Schedule to utilize your pandemic period. This pandemic period should be utilized by you. Make a schedule. There should be a space for playing. There should be a space for worshipping. There should be a space for reading, writing, listening English and speaking also. Make a proper schedule and utilize the day. You can be the topper of the class by working hard on your studies and enjoying your life. Both the parts should be mixed together, children. Don't be like Munna or Bhaiya. Be like both of them, please. After hearing all these things from Bhaiya, Munna started crying with a sound. These sounds were coming out. Munna, Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Bhaiya, no, stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at dawn. See, this is the timetable of Munna made by Bhaiya. See, I was telling you to prepare a schedule, right? But your schedule should not be like this only. There should be some space for playing. Enjoyment should be there. And there should be a space for exercise also. Physical fitness is also highly required. 6 a.m. wash your hands, have your breakfast and sit down to studying. Sit down to study. 6 to 8 English, 8 to 9 math, 9 to 9:30 history, 3:30 then off to school, 5 to 6 grammar, half an hour for strolling, 6:30 to 7 English composition, then dinner, 8 to 9 translation, 9 to 10 Hindi, 10 to 11 other subjects and then to bed. Don't go to bed at 11 p.m. I suggest you not to follow this schedule. You will prepare your own schedule. You may share your schedules with me. This schedule is not good. There is no space for exercise, for games and this child will sleep at 11 p.m. This is not good. Sleep at 10 o'clock. Not more than that. See, Bhaiya, Munna was sad like anything and he wanted to go back home. At that time, Bhaiya said, stop crying and put a smile on your face. We should always stay happy by putting a smile on the face. And he shared the timetable, the schedule of Munna. But when is the time to play? Bhaiya, play? What is the need, Munna? Oh, I love the green face, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like a football. I like the touch and go and hututu sounds of the kabaddi. And the hurry and flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. See, there was no time to play for Munna. So that's why Munna did not like the schedule actually. Yes, there should be some time to play. Now the first scene is over. So children, this was the end of scene 1 of My Elder Brother. In my next video, I will help you with the reading part of scene 2 and 3 children. Till then, you read the scene 1 of the chapter My Elder Brother and underline the difficult words. God bless you.